If you're looking for a discreet personal safety device that's easy to carry everywhere, this TEKRKEJ mini stun gun is a compact option designed for everyday peace of mind. Weighing just 61 grams and measuring 2.95 inches by 1.8 inch, it attaches to your keychain or fits in a pocket for convenience. The device features a bright electric arc and sound alarm to help deter potential threats when activated. It also includes a dual-purpose LED flashlight. There's a multi-switch here on top. Middle position is the LED flashlight. So you have a LED flashlight for emergencies or everyday use. The safety switch prevents accidental activation, and it comes with a 90-day warranty. Perfect for evening commutes, outdoor activities, or general personal security.